Okay guys, we're gonna do things a little bit differently today. Normally my videos are a bit longer and more, I don't know, like cinematic, or I don't know what you want to call them. But I've sort of been in limbo. I've just been hanging around these last couple days, waiting for my roof rack to come in, and I've been getting things done. I've been editing and uploading a lot of stuff. But it is just so freaking hot, like, oh my god. Woo! So I've gotten everything done that I need to do today, and I could just stay here in the city and sleep again, but I don't know, it's just stupid hot and I want to go up to the mountains. So we're gonna go down, pick up some groceries, refill the fridge, go up tonight, have some dinner, and then yeah, just get up in the morning, hang around in the mountains, maybe go down to the lake, and I want to cook a massive breakfast. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Alright, well, we got everything we needed from the grocery store. Got some pancake mix, got some milk, because I like using that better instead of water for the pancakes. And we got a couple beers, because I guess I'm drinking alone tonight. We finally found a campsite. Sorry I didn't record much of the trail. The light was getting pretty low, the sun was setting quickly, and yeah, I just had to get to camp. All the campsites were filled up. Like, I went all the way down to the lake, came all the way back up, and I was lucky to find this one. This was literally the only one that I saw out of probably like 20 sites. So it's busy, but yeah, the sun's already, I think it's already set actually. There's some clouds, so I can't really see. But we're gonna hop on the grill and get cooking. Got the lights on, got the fridge pulled out. This is a double pull out I made with this nice little countertop here. Pretty much haven't eaten all day, so I'm gonna cook up 3 hot dogs and see if that does it. Might do a 4th. Got the beer out, and yeah, not much of a sunset. Oops. There we go. Yeah, sun's kind of already down. So I think one of my favorite parts about this whole setup is, like you just saw, I had this all the way out, so if I need to access the fridge, I can do that. But I can also push it in, so the fridge can be tucked in there, and then I can just sit on this little tailgate thing and basically cook here. It's like a built-in chair right on the 4Runner. Also known as being lazy. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know about you, but I am a huge fan of sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, mustard, some nice little brats. Okay, well, we'll see what happens. I just went over, there's 2 campers over there. I think their names are Nick and Grace, they said. And I just told them I was going to be cooking up a bunch of pancakes and stuff in the morning, so they said they might come over. We'll see. But we're going to have some dinner, hop in bed, and then, yeah, make a feast in the morning. That looks pretty good. Okay guys, well I'm just having a little bit of yogurt as a dessert. I'm about to pack up. I've already done all the dishes and head to bed. So I'll see you in the morning for the main course. A bunch of pancakes and eggs. I got some real maple syrup, and hopefully the fellow campers join us. That would make a fun morning. So we'll see you in the morning. Bye guys.
Well, morning guys. We survived the night. Alright, this has got to be my favorite part about camping in the 4Runner. Woohoo! Of all the things, I woke up to a chipmunk in my engine bay, and I haven't been able to get eyes on him in a couple minutes, but yeah, this is not a great situation. I need to get him out before I break camp today. So he was kind of like right down in this little side well, and I was trying to get eyes on him from up top, and I don't know. He's a sneaky sucker. Well, I still don't have eyes on him, but I also haven't seen him jump down under the truck. So I'm gonna try spraying some water and see if we can scare him out, because I cannot have this dude eating my wires. Well, in the meantime, let's do what we came here for and cook up some breakfast. Need a little more milk. There we go. That's looking better. She's a little sticky. This might go very badly. Oh! Not too bad. So, my key to the perfect pancakes is get it hot enough where when you put the butter in, it almost turns brown, but not quite. Just right on that threshold. If you do that, it should turn out pretty good. Okay, round two. Let's get this. Woohoo! Not bad, not bad. Now that's what I'm talking about. See that? Just that perfect amount of brown, cooked all the way through and through, nice and fluffy. That's the perfect pancake. That guy's so fluffy. Well, I was thinking that I'd maybe cook up some eggs or something else, but there's not much room on this plate. I'm gonna stick with pancakes for now. We'll see after I finish them. This is awesome. So, a little update on the Chipmunk. He's still in there. He's in the engine bay. I have seen him again. And I don't know, keep spraying water at him and he just seems to find new places to hide. So, as much of a pain in the butt as it is, I think I might need to take off my skid plates, because that dude's either going to die in there or chew a hole through my wiring, which neither is good. It's actually kind of weird. That's the first time it's ever happened. I've seen other people, actually, when I worked at the Toyota dealership, there used to be like dead birds and rabbits and stuff that would fall out. Apparently there was actually a live rabbit that fell out once. I wasn't there for that. But yeah, if you're truck camping out in the woods, it's always a good idea when you wake up in the morning to check for any rats' nests or anything. They'll come in quick. Like they'll build them overnight. So glad I found that one. Dude, like come on. Look at that fluff, you guys. It's like 3/4 of an inch, almost an inch thick. unparalleled.
Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap this one up. The neighbors over there at the campsite ended up coming over. The names were Ben and Grace. I got that wrong. It was Ben and Grace, not Nick and Grace. So shout out to them. We had an awesome time. They just came over and we hung out for, I don't know, half an hour at least. I didn't record any of it on camera just because, I don't know, it just felt a little weird and it was just more fun hanging out anyway. Still no sign of the chipmunk. There was one chipmunk that came and checked out my food, and I'm not sure if that was the one in the engine bay or not, so I'm still a little worried about that, but I'm going to start up the engine, see if one maybe jumps out, and if not, I'm going to take the skid plates off later and try to fish one out. We'll let you know what happens on that. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this episode. Let me know what you think of the new format. I'm probably going to switch back to my regular weekly stuff, but if you like this, let me know, and maybe I can start doing more of it. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in as always. I will see you in the next one.